Hi guys, Craig with Thirsty's Lawn Care. This was 5 inches of snow we got on January 26th, and I did most of the snow clearing at night, so I didn't get any video footage of me clearing the driveways. But on January 27th, I got footage of me doing the ends of driveways, and I got some slow-mo and some time warp footage of us driving. And anyways, before you get to the videos, I just wanted to do a shout out to Becky's lawn care. It's in Australia. Steve has been a good person for the community. Go over and check out his YouTube channel. He's doing really good stuff over there. Thanks, guys. Enjoy. So here, guys, I'm using my Toro commercial snowblower, the Power Max Commercial 1428. You remember in my previous video I just got a bunch of work done on it because it hit one of the water shut-off valves that are in the driveways. So I was very careful of this today. So yeah, just doing ends of driveways like I said. Hope you enjoy the video. In the last clip here, I did some slow-mo in the GoPro 8. Hope you enjoy that. Thanks for watching today, guys. Look forward to being able to give you more videos like this in the future. But we're kind of confined to stay-at-home orders still in Ontario, so that's why I've been doing a lot of in-house video recording and just talking about how we can improve our business here before the spring rush comes. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. It helps me get more subscribers, and it helps get me recommended in YouTube, and if the algorithm works better with more subscribers and more views, and try to watch it to the end if you have time. And if you know anybody that is interested in my videos, you can share it with them. Anything you can do would really be appreciated. Thanks a lot. Until next time, we'll talk to you guys on the next one.